In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim CORE in MetaMask Wallet. Before we begin, make sure your MetaMask is installed and updated and that you're signed in on the browser extension or mobile app you prefer. As always, never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. Start by opening MetaMask. At the top of the wallet, click the network dropdown. This is the menu that shows which blockchain you're currently connected to, like Ethereum mainnet. We're going to add CORE so MetaMask can talk to that network. Choose Add Network, then select Add a Network manually. You'll see a form with fields for network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Enter the official CORE network details exactly as listed on the CORE documentation or website. It's important to copy these from a trusted source to avoid connecting to an incorrect or malicious RPC. Take a moment to double check each field for typos. Click Save. MetaMask will add the network and prompt you to switch. Go ahead and switch to the CORE network. You should now see the CORE network name at the top of MetaMask, and your wallet will be set to that chain. Next, go to the official CORE DAO site in your browser. Always navigate using a trusted bookmark or by typing the URL yourself, and confirm the domain is correct before proceeding. Avoid links from random messages or ads to protect yourself from phishing sites. On the CORE DAO site, select the option to connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask, then approve the connection in the pop-up. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to use and confirm the permissions. You'll now be connected to the site on the CORE network. Look for the Claim button on the site. When you click Claim, MetaMask will pop up a transaction window. Review the details and the gas fee carefully. Claims typically require a small amount of CORE for network fees, so ensure you have enough to cover the transaction. If everything looks right, confirm the transaction. You'll see it move to pending, and after a short wait, it should confirm. Once the transaction is successful, your claim tokens will be credited to your wallet on the CORE network. If the site shows a confirmation but your balance doesn't update immediately, give it a moment to refresh. You can also open the transaction in the Block Explorer from the MetaMask notification to see its on-chain status. That's it. You've added the CORE network to MetaMask, connected to the official CORE DAO site, and completed your token claim safely and correctly.